HD dimensions of the video. Now, unfortunately, this records in 1080i, not 1080p. 1080i was the first HD TVs that came out, and remember when we had tubes, and that was the first format. We thought that that was going to be the standard 1080i. That's called, I believe it's interlaced, 1080 interlaced. And so then the current standard of video is 1080p, which stands for progressive. Now, I don't know which one looks better, but you know, I haven't really done the study on that. So I guess you could look it up, the difference between 1080i versus 1080p, but whatever the case, it should be good. It looks like there's a place to put a shoulder strap. Yeah, shoulder strap here and there. Let's see. What else do I say about this? Got the battery, got the inputs. Oh yeah. This is the cup. Just this rubber thing. Was it $139? The cup is, well, where's the cup? Well, whatever, the cup is, oh, the cup is between $108 to $139.99. So, just this rubber portion here, amazing, unbelievable how they get you. Has a little monitor that comes up. Isn't that cool? Not that I can see it from far away. And it turns around. Isn't that cool? Of course, there's no battery because you can't see anything. Nope. Battery's got to be turned. Oh, I doubt it, but nope, need a battery. So you must be wondering what this is dangling here for. Well, this is the lens cover for the actual lens. It's going to be really cool. Alright, so then try it on for size. Cool. How do I look? Do I look professional? Look at my profile. Do I look professional? Ooh. Professional. Not. Okay. So this thing is the hood. In newspaper. It's kind of beat up. So I believe the wide-angle lens has to come out before I could put this on. I believe, I'm not sure. Those of you who do professional video should know more than me. Right? Let's see. I'm going to play with it. Might as well. Nope. So it's got to be over there. I think it, yeah, there's a place to kind of screw it on. Screw it on. Yeah, but then it would stick out, so it's no use putting this on and then put the wide-angle lens on. So that doesn't make any sense. But of course, I'm not a professional. I'm not even close to a professional. I'm not even semi-professional. I'm a pure amateur. I have no idea how to use all this. That means I got to study. The main thing is, don't I look professional? Whoa! I could go around the block doing all of this and they won't even know, I don't even know what I'm doing. Woo! I can't see you. The guy was a smoker. Yeah. Oh well. The things I do to get a deal. But